Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by collecting safe, soft materials: 6 mm EVA foam, contact cement, a sharp craft knife, and a heat gun. Mark a simple blade and tang template on paper, then transfer those outlines to foam using a ruler for straight edges. Cut carefully, one light pass at a time, to avoid tearing. This gives a cleaner profile. Once done, compare both sides for symmetry and make tiny refinements now so later shaping is faster and cleaner. You now shape the blade. Heat the foam evenly, then press to create a bevel. Heat sets the curve and prevents cracking. Apply contact cement to mating surfaces, wait till tacky, then align and press firmly for a secure bond. Use clamps or heavy books for 1 minute. Once cured, sand edges lightly to remove tool marks and wrap the handle with layered foam or craft leather for grip. Make sure seams are tight before moving to finish. Finish by sealing the foam with a thin coat of PVA or flexible sealant to create a paint-friendly surface. Prime with a flexible primer, then apply paint in thin, even coats. Allow full drying between layers to avoid tackiness. Once painted, protect the surface with a flexible varnish. If you see cracking or flaking, sand the spot smooth, reseal that area, and repaint using thinner coats. Make sure the foam stays flexible so the prop remains safe to handle.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.